Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can enable live chat on YouTube Livestream. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for youtube.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of the recommended videos will be present. After that, click on the camcorder icon at the top right corner and then select Live from the drop-down menu. Now, a pop-up will be displayed on your screen. Simply select Start beneath Right Now, then click on Go and a new dialog box will appear. Here, set all of the settings up to your preference, but when you get to the Customization tab, you will be able to enable live chat for your streams. Simply check mark it and you are good to go. So that's basically how you can enable live chat on YouTube Livestream. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.